Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Ngayon Biyernes, Friday. So tawag nito, I just remove this one for to cleaning under the chairs, the sofa, under the sofa, and remove all that. And this one also remove, and you clean the window like that. Clean the window like that. Clean. This one is not everyday, guys. This is if you see if dirty, yan you can remove all that to clean under. So that's why it's clean. Yan. This one not every day, maybe in a month 2 times or 1 times like that. But if you see if look dirty, yes, you can start clean. And the window also, you can clean the window like that. Yeah, it's very easy only to clean that. It's not hard. Only hard for moving the chair, all the sofa, only hard moving like that. So yeah, it's because it's Friday today, guys, so yeah, have time to do like this. It's Friday. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Okay, I continue clean. Thank you guys for watching me. I hope you like and subscribe my small channel. Bye. Hello guys, magandang umaga. Now gonna clean. You know, if you have this one, guys, that dry food, if not removing for the clothes, you just do like this, and use this one. Yeah, like this. See, easy to remove the hard, the dry food. This one dry food, it's become dry. The food okay, it's become dry. Yeah, like that. See, now clean. See, yeah, easy to remove, guys. Don't keep it like this because it's not good looking. See, should be you clean. Yeah, now before you do like this, so now clean. It's look new. Bago na siya. So I'm done this side. See, it's good looking na. It's done this side, and have also this in the floor. Yeah, if you have like this, you just do it. This one, the steel bar, because this is food only. It's become dry. See, if not removing in the mop, if you do mopping, you do like this. Yeah, now okay. See,
Huh?
now clean. See, it's clean. Okay. dry na this side. So, balik na natin yung mga upuan kasi